Hey guys, today's video is gonna be a slightly wacky video. It's got nothing to do with wireless audiophile stuff. It's got nothing to do with Sonos or any other speakers. It is more about my job as a content creator on YouTube talking about wireless audiophile stuff and the things that I do, the things that I have to get in place to actually perform my job. So the first thing that I'm going to talk to you today about is lighting. This is not familiar to you. Some of you are used to a lot of bright, small, little colorful lights all around the room, but I just like to show you how I achieve that effect. So first off, now I've come up with something a little bit different, and this is like a fake neon light. So a fake neon light is something like what you will be seeing on the screen right about now. So it looks like there's some lighting there. Now I'm going to turn on a couple of other lights to make the whole place a little bit more familiar to you. So I'm going to light up my hair a little bit and just highlight my whole surrounding. And this is the top light, and this is the hair light that we have. And you might notice some of these slightly more colorful lights that I have. And I will be turning on the glass display cabinet light, which is this one here. It should be coming on soon. Yep, here. And there is also a light strip that is in front of me, which you can't really see it. It's behind the camera, but it casts a soft blue light on my face to make everything a little bit more interesting. Then there's the Hue wall light that is here. I also have a Dyson light, which I'm going to turn on right here. It is now currently highlighting the Sonos 5s in the background. Okay, what other lights do I have? Oh, I have a kind of like a room fill light, which I'm going to turn on now. So you see a little bit more of my background. So some of you might have realized that I always have this particular door right behind me in my video shots, and you're wondering what is actually that door hiding? What is lying behind that door? What is beyond that door? Now this has got nothing to do with the Lion, the Witch and the wardrobe. It's not a wardrobe, it's not a closet. It is actually kind of like a storeroom that I have, and in today's video I'm going to review what is behind that door. Well, in a way, not in its original state, because in its original state, I was using it as a storeroom. But today, I will show you what I have transformed it into. Let's take a look at it. All right, so the door has now been opened up, okay? So you don't see the display cabinet anymore. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw one light up, okay? So that you can have a better idea of what is inside the room. Okay, you see that ring light there? It is lighting something up. That ring light, right in the middle of it, is actually a camera. So I have actually set up that room to be like a recording studio. Now the problem is there's no fan and there's no airflow, there's no air conditioner, there are no windows inside that small little storeroom right there. But I thought it'd be quite interesting if I could use it, because what you're hearing now is actually my whole room, right? This is the room where I do my work. This is the room where I work from home. This is the room where I have a TV, I have the Sonos Arc, I have the Sub Gen 3, I have the Sonos 5 speakers flanking it, I have the Sonos M driving my 4 8-inch ceiling speakers. So this is the place where I create all my content, and this is the place where I do all the measurements and where I have all the mics, you know, all set up. This is my older mic, and I have another mic that is here, which I'm not using. I'm actually using a Rode NTG4, which is a shotgun condenser mic. Picks up more of the room noise, but that also means that you're gonna hear the fan, you're gonna hear the air conditioner blasting away. So it is not the ideal lighting condition. And bear in mind, the lights, they also generate some fan noise because they have all these fans spinning to cool down the chip on board, the LED single chip light, and those generate quite a bit of heat. Sorry, I was digressing. That particular room. Shall we light it up to give you a little bit more context? Yep. Cozy? Let's move in.